Well, if you're anything like me, you have a bunch of different favorites you have on your browser because you have a lot of stuff you're interested in. But if you're also like me, you don't like a lot of clutter. So how are you going to get rid of these but yet make them easy to find? Well, we're going to go up to the favorites button up here at the top right. We're going to click on that and then come up here to the little dots up here and you look halfway down, show favorite bar, and we're going to change it. And if you don't have the button available, you can just come up here, click here, come on down here to favorites. You have the same menu to select it. Or you can go here to your icon of your user and do the same thing to here, come over here to appearance, and you scroll down and you'll find the option down here. So now we have it set for only on new tabs. Let's take a look at it in action. So I'm on my current tab, and I'm going to click on the little plus sign here to bring up a new tab. There are all my favorites. Then I can select which one I want. Come over here and click on any one of them. And as soon as I go down and click on one of them to make it my new current tab, boom, you notice the favorites are gone automatically. And of course, if I click on a new tab, boom, the favorites are back, ready to select, ready to become another current tab. And if I close the tab, it becomes current and they disappear again. There you have it, a little tweak to take and get rid of all those icons you have up there for your favorites bar and make your screen just a little bit cleaner. Hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video. If you want more, don't forget to subscribe. You can also follow me on Facebook and Twitter. The links are in the description of this video.